IXL Mathers, we're also going to be using IXL for math. We are going to be assigning lessons to you to practice the specific standards or what we are learning this week, what is our focus. Again, you're going to come to your username and password. This information again is going to be on Schoology. I have created a folder with all the login information. Just click on there. As you sign in, you are on your learning page. And as you scroll down, you're going to see different things. Don't worry about those. You are going to see a little star on the side and that says 4 skills suggested by your teacher. You are going to click on that and then pick any of them. This means that you have 4 activities that your teacher has suggested. I have picked those for you because they are actually related to the focus of our week. So once you do that, make sure you click on there, and then you can go ahead and get started with your practice. If you have any questions, let me know.